Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Chicken Yakhni Biryani, full guide. Begin by preparing the yakhni. Simmer whole spices, onions, and chicken bones for a clear aromatic stock. Strain the liquid, then marinate the chicken briefly with yogurt, ginger, garlic, and spices. Parboil basmati rice to about 70%, drain and layer with the chicken, saffron milk, fried onions, and fresh herbs before the final steam. Warm tip: marinate the chicken for at least 30 minutes to let spices penetrate, but avoid over-marinating acidic mixtures. While the meat rests, caramelize onions slowly until deep golden for sweetness and texture. Prepare saffron soaked in warm milk to add color and aroma. Chop fresh cilantro and mint for layers, and keep the tempered spices handy to bloom in hot ghee just before assembling the final biryani. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing full guides and tips. On another note, the product seen here is a great companion. Books read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite for relaxed kitchen breaks and recipe browsing. Check the description for the link and other deals, then grab a cup of tea and get ready. Now let's get back to the video. Assemble the biryani with patience. Spread the chicken and its juices, then add a rice layer, saffron milk, ghee, and herbs in repetition. Seal the pot well to trap steam and cook on the lowest heat possible for 25 to 35 minutes to finish cooking gently. Rest the biryani for 10 minutes off heat, then fluff gently with a fork to keep grains separate and preserve the fragrant layers for serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.